So I started from zero, and I'm building Preatchafx from the ground up. Welcome everybody, my name is Preatchafx, aka the Forex Preacher, and in this video I'm going to tell you about how I started trading. I'm going to tell you what I've learned so far, and I'm going to share why I started this channel and my goals for this channel. So if it's something that excites you, stay tuned and let's get straight into the video. So how I started trading Forex, or how I discovered Forex, in 2023 after I graduated from University of Ghana. You've graduated, you've come out, now it hits you that what's next, But I've been somebody that's even from the get-go, the idea of working for somebody is, I don't like it. I'm not trying to, bash 9 to 5, but the 9 to 5, I don't like it. I don't like the idea of making money and not being able to spend, You wake up, you go to job, you come back. So I was looking for a way that I can make money and be independent, Like, I guess what I'm trying to say is that I was looking for freedom to make money and then enjoy the money. So I was researching on, ways to make money. One thing about me too, going for interviews and all those things, Charlie, it sounded like a lot, I have to kind of convince somebody that they should hire me or no. It sounded like a lot, and from where I'm coming from, it's mostly about who you know and then not what you know. So it doesn't matter your degree, what's Charlie. So I did my research. I went to the internet, I researched, and I came about hedge fund managers. I discovered that they make a lot of money. So I went deep, realized that it is trading. Checked how accessible it is for Ghana here, because most of the things I was reading from online, they are not that common in this part of of the world, Ghana. I realized that it was accessible, it was normal, I can do it, So I started researching other, forex traders in the country. I found out that there are lots, some are even influential on the media like that. So I decided to learn forex. So I've been learning it for 2 years now, but being somebody coming from academia, I thought like reading a lot about it was the way forward, So I spent a lot of time, discovered baby pips, finished the baby pips course, got a book, the Japanese Candlestick Bible, finished that one too. Like, I was just consuming knowledge, no practical. So I've been consuming knowledge for like 2 years with no practical experience. So it is just this year that I decided that I'm going to, dive into the water. You don't learn how to swim by reading how to swim. You dive into the water. So I decided to dive into the water. So early this year, I discovered ICT from Chemo Trading. Shout out to Chemo Trading, Charlie. He's the one inspiring me to do this. Yeah, he's inspiring me to do this. I discovered ICT from Chemo Trading. Initially, it sounded like a cult, like ICT. Everybody is talking about ICT. And I went to the channel at first, Charlie, plenty content. I didn't know where to start from. And then, I don't know, the universe just finds its way to, connect me to what I need. I came about Words of Wisdom podcast. I listened to, successful traders and their interviews, and then Chemo Trading again mentioned how he started, where he started from learning ICT. So I started with the 2022 mentorship, then the core content, and the market maker primer series. So as I'm talking to you right now, I've been trading actively for 6 months. Yes, 6 months. I have my own strategy. Think I'm doing well. I mean, not in profit yet, but I'm doing okay. I'm not blowing account like that. I've traded a 10k alpha capital account challenge. I've not even passed phase 1. I've been trading for like 6 months. Yes, and I'm currently in drawdown. That is where I am. But one thing that I know is that I am focusing on consistency and not, quick gains. And that is why I risk only 0.25% per trade. I'm trying to be as conservative as I can be so that I don't blow it, because I know that even though I've read a lot about forex trading, the trading itself, having live experience is something that I lack, and I don't want to be going to taking some risk that I don't know how to, so I've been trading it small. Currently not going very well, but the process is going very well, but the result is not showing yet. And one thing I know is that I only have to focus on how I trade, the process, and the market will pay me when the market wants to pay me. So my goals for this channel, well, I sort of created this channel just to get out of my comfort zone and also to inspire other traders. I've watched Kimo trading journey. I've watched it on YouTube, but I had to go back to 5 years ago, and I wish I started with him. I wish I was with him on the journey, you understand, because this one I have to go and watch the past videos. But I thought maybe somebody out there to want to watch somebody build it from the ground up, like the way Kimo built his own from the ground up. And so I'm creating this channel to inspire people and also to get out of my comfort zone. As you can see, I'm not really good with the camera. I'm just trying to do my best. Yes, so speaking to a camera is a new thing for me, and then if I'm able to get out of my comfort zone like that, I think it's a good thing, and I can help people to, even if it's one person that is also on the same journey, that stick with me throughout the journey, then that would be good. So the goals of this channel, it's mostly for documenting my journey, but I'll be educating a lot. I'll be sharing a lot, unfiltered. So if you are looking for a channel that you want to see the mistakes, you want to see the breakthroughs, you want to see the lessons, how real the whole thing is, then it is here. You understand? Yes, that is the goal for this channel. It's going to be educative as well. It's going to be very educative. I'm going to teach my strategy. Even though I'm an ICT trader, I'm tailoring it to my myself. I'm taking concepts from ICT and then I'm building my own strategy, which I'm testing. And in back testing it, it looks so promising. So I'm at a point where I need to learn the mental skills required to make the best out of my strategy, because yes, the strategy performs very well on paper, or performs very well when I demo trade it and then when I back test it. Yet, so which means that it is some mental skills that I need to learn, and I'm working on that, and I'll be sharing everything that I'm learning, so you get to know when it clicks, you understand. So stay with me, subscribe, and then comment below what you want to see next, and I will do my best to respond to every comment. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video.